Inflation is becoming an increasingly concerning issue as prices continue to rise. However, is Bitcoin really working as a hedge against inflation as promised? Is Bitcoin just a scam? Will the price of Bitcoin eventually drop to zero? Welcome to Market Melody, the rhythm of the market. This is the third episode of What's in My Wallet. What is Bitcoin? Many people misunderstand Bitcoin as a currency that hedges against inflation in price. In fact, Bitcoin is a currency that hedges against inflation in supply. As emphasized in the first two episodes, Bitcoin has a finite supply, so its supply will never increase. When the supply of paper money increases through printing policies, its value decreases. Assets with fixed supply like BTC at that time will increase in price compared to paper money because more dollars have to be spent to exchange for an equivalent amount of Bitcoin. Did you know that the supply of the US dollar has increased by 40% in the past 2 years? This means that every item or service you buy now has to bear a price inflation of 40% compared to 2 years ago. When the supply of paper money increases, inflation in asset prices tends to occur first, while inflation in prices for daily living activities may take a year or more to take effect. Thus, with Bitcoin's fixed supply, the price of Bitcoin increases with each event of printing new money. However, scarcity is not the only reason why Bitcoin's value is increasing. There are many other reasons that lay the foundation for the increase in Bitcoin's value. If the supply of paper money increases leading to inflation in prices, Bitcoin can be a good tool to hedge against inflation. But currently, with the policy of tightening the economy, the money supply on the market is actually decreasing. Therefore, BTC will no longer be a good option to avoid inflation. On the contrary, it seems that most people are selling BTC to preserve their investment portfolios. So if there are signs of money printing in the market next time, you can use the strategy of transferring your savings account to Bitcoin and vice versa. If you do so, your savings account can increase by 400% and be enough to help you balance the inflation that we are facing. So we just discussed Bitcoin as a tool against inflation. Please note that all information is for educational purposes only and does not encourage investment in any form. Thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to support our channel.